Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is on how to use the OpenAI API for generating chat responses. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate advanced AI capabilities into your applications or someone simply curious about the power of artificial intelligence, this video is for you. Let's start by understanding what the OpenAI API is all about. The OpenAI API provides developers with access to state-of-the-art, pre-trained artificial intelligence models such as GPT-3, GPT-4, DALL-E, and more. This means you can tap into cutting-edge AI capabilities to enhance the intelligence and performance of your applications, regardless of the programming language you use. Firstly, install the official Python bindings for the OpenAI API using pip. Simply run the following command in your terminal or command prompt. To get started with the OpenAI API, you'll first need to generate an API key. This API key is paid. To get an API key for the OpenAI API, sign up for an account on the OpenAI website, then navigate to the API section to generate your unique key. This key is crucial for authenticating your request to the OpenAI API, ensuring secure access to its features and services. Here, we import the OpenAI class from the OpenAI module and instantiate a client object using our API key. This client serves as our interface to interact with the OpenAI API, allowing us to access its functionalities securely and seamlessly. Now, let's dive into how we can use the OpenAI API for chat responses. We'll be using the OpenAI ChatCompletion.create method to generate responses based on user prompts. This is how we create response. In this code snippet, we specify the model to be used for generating chat completions as GPT-3.5 Turbo. We provide a user message asking a question about making money. We set parameters such as max_tokens to control the length of the response and to specify the number of completions to generate. Finally, let's examine the response generated by the OpenAI API. Here, this line of code prints out the content of the first completion generated by the API. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the OpenAI API for generating chat responses. With this knowledge, you can now incorporate advanced AI capabilities into your applications and enhance user interactions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.